given x of 0 is 0 and the velocity at 4.5 seconds is 0, we're asked to find the displacement and distance from 0 to 5 seconds. So the displacement is the area under the velocity time curve. So that would be the area under this trapezium plus the area under this triangle minus the area under this triangle, which will give you 12 meters. And the total distance traveled is simply the sum of all these areas from 0 to 4.5 seconds. So that would give you 12.5 meters. And for part B, the average speed is equal to the total distance traveled over the total time, which is 2.5 meters per second. And the average velocity is equal to the displacement over the change in time, which is 5 minus 0 seconds, or 2.4 meters per second. Sketch the position versus time graph from this velocity time graph, and taking our initial condition of x of 0 is 0. Well, the velocity gives the slope of the tangent to the position time curve, so if the velocity is linear, then the position versus time curve is parabolic. And from 0 to 2 seconds, the velocity is increasing and positive, so therefore the slope of the tangent to the curve is going to increase. Now from 2 to the time when the velocity is 0, the velocity is decreasing, so therefore the slope of the tangent to the position versus time graph is decreasing, but still positive until we reach the maximum. And then thereafter the velocity is negative, so the slope of the tangent to the position versus time curve becomes negative, and it's still parabolic until we reach 5 seconds, where the velocity is constant, so therefore the position versus time graph becomes linear, because the slope here is constant.